Hey, this is Dan from DS Design Woodworking. I'm just going to do a quick video here on some storage upgrade to my workshop. I originally put together a video that ended up way too long because I let the time lapse run for the whole project. And between me rambling on and even sped up just to having the whole thing in there, it was 35 minutes long and had a very low number of views. I think just because of the length. And since this project turned out so well and might be an idea that someone else can use, I mercilessly chopped and hacked and cut the video down to just a few minutes long. As you're learning to put videos together, a big portion of it is learning what is not valuable along with what is valuable. I had shelving that I had put up about 15 years ago that was just meant to hold some bulk and never meant to take much weight. And as my needs have evolved, I have a lot of very heavy items that I needed to store instead. So getting rid of the old shelving and getting some pallet racking that fit my space and worked perfectly for my needs was a huge upgrade. I looked at maybe doing something out of wood also, but to get equivalent strength would have taken much taller cross members to take the kind of weight that I want to put on it. So this was a much better way to go and a much cleaner finished look, I think. Alright, since I'm doing a new edited chopped down version of this video, I thought I'd come back a couple months later here after I've been using it and show the results and how well this shelving has worked out for me. Still got a bit of a mess here. Nothing like before, and some of it's just a functional mess because there's multiple things going on with the table refinishing and epoxy table over there and another one over there. But the storage racking itself has been awesome. I got everything big and bulky and heavy up out of the way. This racking here, pretty narrow on the beams, so it doesn't get all the space that I could get out of it. If you get big, tall beams, you're going to lose space. These are plenty heavy for what I needed. And all in all, this has been a really nice way to clean up my shop. So if you're looking for some heavy-duty storage, pop on to Craigslist or Facebook or somewhere and just find there's tons of pallet racking out there. Easy to find in all kinds of depths and widths and size of beams, and should be something that fits your needs. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.